Hi, I'm Kartini Kannan and you are watching Cooking with Kartini Kannan. Mari mari, baked fish, baked fish. Oops! It's not baked fish, but something that resembles baked fish. This is my version of an eggplant egg jamboree, which is stuffed Fiji eggplant with a mixture of egg and the eggplant stuffing itself. You want to try this delicious eggplant recipe? Come follow me and we will see how to do this baked eggplant. To do this simple eggplant egg jamboree, we need very few ingredients, which are eggplant. I'm using Fiji eggplant here because it's thicker and also it will be more steady to bake. Here I have taken out the flesh and grilled half of the eggplant, the halves. The insides I have scooped out and sauteed with a little bit of salt and pepper and some parsley just for flavor. That's all. For the ingredient that we'll be mixing together with the eggplant is egg, which I've beaten here with some salt and also pepper. So now into this egg, I'm going to add the sauteed eggplant and mix it thoroughly. This eggplant mixture will go back into the eggplant cups. There's nothing else inside this eggplant dish except for egg and eggplant. That's why it's called Eggplant Egg Jamboree. So I'm filling in the eggplant cups. This will go into an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Now that our eggplants are out of the oven, we will just garnish it with a little bit of chopped onion leaves. Doesn't this remind you of baked fish? Kind of does. It will also taste a little bit like baked fish. Our eggplant egg jamboree is ready. I hope you do try this simple eggplant dish, which can double up as a snack or even as a side. I hope to visit you in more videos in the future. I'm Kartini Kannan and you're watching Cooking with Kartini Kannan. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!